Having trouble configuring your network or just missed the classic ifconfig command? Today, we're diving into how to install NetTools on Ubuntu, unlocking a suite of powerful networking utilities. First, open up your terminal. You can usually find it by searching for terminal in your applications or by pressing Terminal. The terminal is your gateway to installing software on Ubuntu. Now, let's update your package list. Type the commands sudo apt update and hit enter. This ensures you have the latest information about available packages and their dependencies. Sudo prompts for your password, so go ahead and type it in, don't worry. The cursor won't move as you type, just press enter when you're done. Wait for the update process to complete. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you're ready to install NetTools. Type in the following command, sudo apt install NetTools, and press enter. This command tells Ubuntu to install the NetTools package, which includes ifconfig, netstat, and other useful utilities. You'll likely be prompted to confirm the installation by typing Y and pressing enter. This tells the system you're okay with the installation and the disk space it will use. Once confirmed, the installation process will begin. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, NetTools is installed and ready to use. Now you have access to ifconfig and netstat for all your network configuration and troubleshooting needs. Congratulations!